My favourite part of doing this is the people, so whether that's suppliers, customers or staff. If I have to describe my job in 3 words, 2 of them start with F, fun and frustrating. The third one is rewarding. So what people probably don't realise is that there's a lot of stuff that goes on outside of hours, and the business never leaves your mind. So that's probably the one thing I think most people don't get. The most common question I get is, why should I buy from you instead of buying direct from the manufacturer? And my answer to that is really simple. Why do you use a mortgage broker? The best piece of advice that I could give to someone around starting a project, it's really difficult because at the end of the day, they're the builder. We deal with the builders or the trades, generally speaking. We do some retail. So it's probably an easier question to answer from a retail perspective, to give them some insight into what to expect. But most of the customers that we deal with already have that down pat. Our job is to make sure we can deliver on their expectation. And if we can't, we need to give them some rationale around why we can't do what they want us to do. One product that I love recommending and why. It's probably changed over the years. Once upon a time it was all about bricks and nothing else. Now there's plenty of other products in there. Some of the fibre cement products I think look really cool. A lot of the natural stone products are fantastic. So they're probably my 2 favourites at the moment. Oh my God, coffee and food. I mean, if this place wasn't a building products distributor, we could definitely be some sort of restaurant or takeaway joint. There's that many people that like food and coffee in this place. One thing that they would, or I hope I would say about me, is that I'm honest. Best nickname I've been given at work. I don't even know. I don't have an answer to that one. I've been called many things. I'm not sure they're nicknames, but I don't know. It's probably just Marty, yeah.
Yeah.
I still take phone calls. I still have customers that ring me, and again, no one's too big to do that. So yeah, they can contact me. They can contact one of the guys. It's not a problem. They can get email, phone number. There's no fax machine anymore, so don't try that. Doesn't work. We got rid of that only a few years ago. They're probably the two main points of contact. They can get